Hey guys, welcome to PHP tutorial number 10. Today we're just going to be covering something hopefully very quickly. In the previous tutorial we looked at using if blocks, and I only demonstrated using if blocks with variables. So here I'm just going to show you that you don't have to use just variables, you can actually use the literal values. So in this case I'm just checking if 5. And because 5 is not equal to 0, of course, anything that's not equal to 0 in terms of numbers evaluates to true, because 5 is not equal to 0. Hopefully, we should see 5 echoed, plus a line break. In this case, 0 evaluates to false, so hopefully no 0 output. In this case, false evaluates to false. No kidding, huh? So hopefully false should be output. Instead, the else block should be output, which is false doesn't evaluate to true. And here I'm just demonstrating it with an empty string. Hopefully the empty string shouldn't be output, and instead the else if with the non-empty string, I put a question mark in parentheses there, this should be output instead, and this should not be output as well. Let's quickly test this out. Here we go. Okay. And of course we get the 5, we get the false doesn't evaluate to true, and the non-empty string. Just on the subject of programming, I'm pretty sure, that covers all the PHP I wanted to do in this tutorial. Hopefully everyone picks that up, easy as pie, because it's not hard to understand. Instead of using variables, we're just using the literal values. But yeah. Oh yeah, you can also, I'm not demonstrating all of them in this case, but of course you can say if null, that will evaluate to false. Okay, of course that won't output. There we go. If we save that, refresh, see, nothing new. So all those values I talked about basically in the previous tutorial. So anyway, yeah, on the programming subject, I didn't know that they did this, but Stanford University has a channel on YouTube, and they upload all the lectures for all the courses they do. I just checked out the introduction to robotics one, and you get the full hour of the lecture. So if you're interested in listening to any of these, just go to the Stanford University YouTube channel, and you can watch the whole. Well, I'm pretty sure it's the whole semester, whatever you guys over in America call it. School year for us in Britain, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the whole thing, and you get the full lecture on every lesson. So, and it's not just introduction to robotics. You can get everything here. If I just give you an example, hit all the playlists. So yeah, you get a whole bunch of things. There you go. Programming mythology, programming paradigms, whole bunch of things. So if you're interested in that stuff, why don't you guys go check it out anyway. Over and out.